Alright guys, I welcome you all to this video where I'll be showing you how to design Kindle ebook cover for your Kindle book using this platform called PosterMyWall. PosterMyWall is a web online designing platform like Canva, in which you can design graphic design like social media graphics, marketing, branding, cover, events, web banners, and a lot of things in which you can think of in designing. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can design a free Kindle cover. Without further ado, let's get started. Now you have the options either to click on search here, in which you will search for the Kindle cover you want, or you can search based on the niche in which you are trying to design for, or you can come down where we have all these icons here, click on any of this menu here. Since we are going for cover, click on cover, in which it will take you to where we have different type of cover. We have album cover, Kindle book cover, magazine covers, podcast cover. Now click on Kindle ebook cover. Under Kindle ebook cover, we have a lot of cover that are perfect depending on the niche in which you want to design for, or the type of books in which you are working on Amazon. You can use either of any of these templates here that are well designed, well crafted by graphic designer. There are a lot of templates in which you can choose from. Now I think this one is under love. Now you click on it, click on this edit button. It will take you to where to edit this novel. Now since we don't want to try to edit this novel to our own taste, I'm going to ChatGPT now to give me a good book title in which you can use for this title, since it's on about novel. Provide me with good book title on romance that I can use on my novel e-book. Okay, now we see a lot of suggested title in which you can use. Now we are falling for this. We have Weak Spell of the Heart, When Love Finds Us, Lost of Embrace. We just want to use any of these titles just to show you how you can design using this PosterMyWall platform. Now let me copy this falling for the stranger. Come back to where we have our title here. We have for this one title, let's use falling. I think our title look okay, professional. I think these fonts, they look professional. You can change the font by coming down to where we have font here at the right hand side. Click on different font in which you want. Let's try to use this one. Okay, I think it's okay. For the, let's try to change the font for this one also, so that it can, yeah, I think this font in which, okay, let's change this fonts. Okay, perfect. I think these fonts in which you have used Okay, now you can change the image here. You can go online to look for the image in which you want to use on your cover, but if you like, you can make use of this image for your design. And this is the way you can change the author's name. I make use of this author's name. You can just for the author's name to look. Sorry. Okay. Since this one, I try to extend this triangle bigger, but one thing you can see here is that the author's name here is somehow small. It comes down to where we have the size here. You can increase the size of the author's name. Just extend this anchor point so that it can be on a straight horizontal line. You can come down to where we have your distance so that it can look professional. You can do a lot of editing if you want to have some elements. Just come down to where we have the media here. You will see a lot of elements that you can use along with your design for it to look okay and professional. Click on view all. You will see different photos here. You will see different icons in which you can use. Likewise, you can still make use of AI image by using this. Click on wait. We have different shapes in which you can choose from. We have different icons in which you can choose from. We have different video. Maybe you are working on videos, you can use any of these videos here. We have audio. Just click on any one in which you want. You can click on this and click on add. Selected. Now boom, as you can see now it has been added to our design. Maybe you have something which you want to put, maybe all this bestseller badge, you can put it there, or you have some elements in which you want to upload along to your design. Maybe you are trying to change this image. You can come down to upload here, look for where you have your file on your system and upload the file. Okay, you click on upload media. Locate where we have the files in which you want to upload to this. Let's try to make use of this. As you can see now, our file has been uploaded. I'm just using this one as a sample. It doesn't go along with what I'm trying to achieve. I just want to show you how you can import your photo to this Canva. Send to back. Send to button. Let's try to remove this one. Boom, as you can see now, falling for the stranger, it look okay and professional. When you are done with your design, just come down where we have save here, click on save, and come down to where we have download for you to download your design. As you can see now, basic video free watermark. But if you have the premium account in which for you to have download this, you have to pay $2.99. But since we are not using high resolution, just click on download here. I think you are enjoying this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly click on subscribe button, like this video so that this community can grow. Okay, perfect. I think our design has completed. This is our this is our design. Let me click on it. Boom. As you can see, this is how our design look. It look okay, profession. That's how to download your file after you have complete the design. As you will see something that when we try to open the file, it shows the file in video format because the template thing we chose was in video format. As you can see here, it have an intro video. You can turn it to none and save your design and download the file again, because sometimes you might choose a template that comes in video format. Just for you to remove the video and animation, just click on this intro animation and turn it to none and click on save and come back to your download and download the file again. That is how to design your cover on PosterMyWall. If you find this video helpful, click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friend. See you in the next video. Bye for now.